Here's a case that has an inner hard insert that includes a screen protector, and you'll notice that the distance between the edge of the case and the start of the screen is very, very narrow, both on sides and top and bottom as well. And what will happen is when we create a case, key guard rather, for this case, it will have very narrow sides in order to fit into that space. In fact, the space is so narrow that in this case there is no top edge up here that would surround the message bar. It fits the cells well, but it's very narrow and it's hard to see great here, but the edges are so thin that they don't even rise up as high as you can see a little bit of the rail sticking out above the edge here. So that shows you that it's so narrow it's less than half of the rail width wide. And as I say, we lost these sides altogether that would normally come up from the edge here and right along the top. So if we add a few millimeters of thickness to the edge of it, then we get something that looks like this. The rails are still the same width as they were before, but the edge pieces here are now thicker and therefore sturdier. The tabs have something of full height to attach to, and we have something that surrounds. Now it's not very thick up here, but what it does do is, because these sides come up all the way to the top edge, is it means that this fits more tightly in the space of the case opening, rather than in this example it can slide up and down, because there's nothing to stop it from sliding this way, except of course the way you've mounted these tabs. But this is the advantage of that additional thickness. It provides you a full surround to fit in the space of the opening. You're still using the same methods to attach the key guard as you always would have. In this case, probably Velcro on the tabs. But it's a little sturdier and it has no problems with sliding around on that space.